Hi friends, now we have Asus Tough Gaming A15 laptop. We have in the laptop we need to extend the SSD hard disk. I will show you how to open the laptop. The particular specification I will show you. In this laptop we have AMD Ryzen 7 4800 16 GB RAM we have, and hard disk is, and also we have 500 GB hard disk. It's an SSD drive we have. I will show you how to upgrade the SSD. I will shut down my laptop. After shutting down, you need to remove all these screws one by one. This is the battery, and we have one SSD we have already, and we can install it here. One more SSD we can install it. I'll show you how to install this. Like this need to be installed. That's it. Okay, thank you.